Imagine this. 6 months from now, you have $1,000 saved up and it feels effortless. You didn't have to skip every coffee or cancel every plan with friends. Sounds impossible? Well, stick around because today I'm giving you 5 hustle-free tips that will blow your mind and, more importantly, your savings account. Hey there, welcome back to Profit Axis, where we turn financial dreams into reality. I've got a quick question for you. What would you do with an extra $1,000? Would you book that vacation you've been daydreaming about? Maybe finally start that investment account? Let me know in the comments below because I'm genuinely curious. You know, when I was 18, I used to think saving money meant giving up everything fun. No Netflix, no eating out, no life, basically. I tried it for a week, and honestly, I was miserable. But then I realized it's not about sacrificing everything. It's about being smart with what you have. And trust me, you're about to learn how to save money without feeling like you're living in a financial lockdown. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Tip 1. Automate your savings. Imagine this. Every time you get paid, a small percentage of your income automatically moves to a savings account. You don't even have to think about it. Out of sight, out of mind, and guess what? It grows without you lifting a finger. Here's the scary part. If you don't automate, you're leaving your savings up to chance. Think about how easy it is to spend money that's just sitting in your checking account. Automation takes the temptation away. And no, you don't need a robot to do this. Just set up an automatic transfer in your banking app. Boom, you're basically a finance wizard. Now that you've got money flowing into savings without lifting a finger, let's talk about what to do with what's left. Tip 2. Track your spending like a detective. If saving is the goal, tracking your spending is the treasure map. Get a budgeting app or even a simple spreadsheet and start recording where every dollar goes. The goal isn't to shame yourself, but to find your spending leaks. Think of it like solving a mystery. You might uncover that $50 a month you're spending on subscription services you forgot about. That's $300 in 6 months. Boom, halfway to your goal already. I'll share a genius hack to cut those costs in half in just a minute, so keep watching. Once you've found your leaks, it's time to channel that extra cash into something that works for you. Tip 3. Use the 24-hour rule for spending. This tip is a lifesaver for anyone prone to impulse purchases. Here's how it works. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something, pause for 24 hours. If you still want it after that, go ahead. But 9 times out of 10, you'll forget about it or realize you didn't really need it. Think about how much money you could save if you avoided just 1 or 2 impulse buys a month. It adds up faster than you think. Quick question. When's the last time you regretted not buying something? Exactly. With those savings in mind, let's talk about how to stretch every dollar even further. Tip 4. Master the art of negotiation. Call up your internet provider, insurance company, or even your gym and ask if there's a discount or promotion you can take advantage of. The first time I tried this, I saved $15 a month on my internet bill. That's $180 a year with one 5-minute phone call. Imagine what you could do with an extra $180. But what if I told you there's an even easier way to lower your bills without making a single phone call? Hang tight, it's coming up. Now that you've trimmed the fat on your expenses, it's time to put those savings to work. Tip 5. Leverage cashback and rewards. Finally, let's talk about making your money work for you. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey, or get a credit card with great rewards. You're already spending money on groceries, gas, and essentials, so why not get a little extra back? Imagine this. Every dollar you spend is quietly working behind the scenes to add a little more to your savings. It's like having a financial sidekick. And no, you don't have to become a couponing ninja. This is as simple as clicking a button. So there you have it. 5 simple tips to save $1,000 in 6 months without breaking a sweat. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's the easiest way to make sure you never miss out on tips that can transform your financial life. Until next time, keep hustling and keep growing your profit axis.